Alright, y'all, good morning. So some of y'all may know that I'm sourcing for a D16 block, and I finally found one at my local junkyard. So I'm on my way to go get it right now. They want 240 for it. So the block comes with, so I got the block and the crankshaft and the girdle. I could have gotten an empty block for cheaper, but someone who is familiar with the D16s, he told me if I want to save myself from going through a whole bunch of clearance issue, just get the same crankshaft that come with that block. So that's what I'm doing. This is my first build, so I'm just listening and learning as I go. And I went and go pick up some tools the other day, because when I went to the junkyard, I was surprised I even see that they have a block over there, and it was a good block. So it was raining, I didn't have enough tools, so I left. I went there Thursday, today is Sunday. So I left Thursday and I go home, and then Friday I went to go buy some tools, and now I think I got all the tools I need. Hopefully I got all the tools I need, so I could take that block home. When I get here, I'll put y'all boys on. I just had to let y'all know like what's going on with the build and everything. So I'm on my way to the junkyard right now. I'll catch y'all when I get there. Hey y'all, I did made it to the junkyard. I'm sweaty as hell. Like I said, I'm by myself for now. I got two homeboys pulling up. But look, got that bracket off. That bracket off over there. Only got one more engine mount, and it's the one in the back. Let me see if I can show y'all. Just trying to get this thing off fast as I can before it start pouring down, because I live in Florida. If you know, you know. It rains all summer, so I'm gonna try to see if I could take the bracket off from right here and then see if it would drop, if the motor would just drop to the floor. You know, it should drop all the way to the floor because they got the axles and stuff in there. So yeah, I'm just keep updating y'all. Alright, I'm hot. Alright y'all, so I got bad news. The block is no good. There's some cracks around the cylinder walls, and that's a no-no. So I'm still on the lookout. I'm just gonna upload this video just to update you guys, to let you guys know what's going on. Yeah,